In this video, I want to talk about nail pops. Now, what causes the nail pop is the screw has been pulled in past the paper, and there's too much mud there. So as moisture gets in there, either through paint or the natural atmosphere of the house, that swells and contracts, and swells and contracts, and that reveals that mud. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill out those screws first. And that's a standard 1¼ drywall screw. We're going to pull out this second one. Then we're going to smack in a deeper hole. We're going to change our bit. I'm going to put in my drywall set bit, and this is going to stop at exactly the right depth. I'm going to put a screw in just below. Perfect depth every time. Another screw to the north. Now we're going to resync those other screws, and this time to the proper depth. And now we're going to put some spackle right over that. Apply it one direction and take it off the other direction. And that is quick drying compound. We're going to let that dry for 30 minutes, come back and just touch it up with some light sandpaper. Now we do a little light sanding to take off the high spots. The wall is already white, so we're not going to need a lot of paint on here. I'm just going to put a little bit of paint, just enough to cover the roller, and then we're going to feather it out. Looks tons better. For more home improvement tips and tricks, click the image on your screen now.